Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Solana has come deeper into this small support area. I did highlight that. I can't remember if I talked about it in yesterday's video or if I just updated channel members about this support area, because we saw a possible 5-wave move to the upside of the Monday low here to the, Thursday, early on Thursday. And then we saw that correction down. So you can count it in a bullish scenario as a 1-2 setup. So it's a 5-wave move. It's not the prettiest of 5, but it is still reasonable, especially as long as the $19.85 level is holding. So the 78.6 retracement, this is critical. So as long as that level is holding, 1985, we could get a 3rd wave rally. If not, it might simply just reset wave 2, actually going with the white wave count here. Actually, if I'm going to, one second, why do we, I'm going to change that to white. Oops, not red. So we've got this wave 1 that started on the 10th of March, right? And then an A wave down, overshooting B wave, C wave down. Ideally here, you get the 5 down. We don't have 5 down here. Even though you could make the case for it, but then it's probably more WXY if the correction already finished here on Monday. It all depends now on the 1985 level. I wouldn't be surprised if it breaks it. It so far doesn't really show any strong reaction yet. It hasn't really reacted to the golden ratio. That's always a sign that, there's, we could just break it. But again, as long as 1985 is holding, I simply show you that he has a potential. We are working across the market on possible breakouts. We haven't got confirmation for a turnaround yet out of the trend reversal area here. But either way, against 1732, which is the higher degree scenario, the focus is still up. The question is just, do we come down a little lower in an extension of the C wave, or do we turn around already now? But then it would really need to turn around basically, imminently. Today, as you might know, we've got the core PCE data, inflation data, so that might shake things up a little bit. I might do a live stream, so Solana will be discussed there as well, probably. But these are the possibilities. The focus can be up imminently, if we hold 1985, but then I really need to see some proof, some evidence that it's turning around, and we probably won't have. Well, the very, very first early indication would probably be a break above this last swing high. We talk here about 2075, but it would be very, very early indication. But then we have already an initial signal that the 3rd wave might be ongoing. And then we just need to have all eyes on 1985. Important here that it doesn't break and sustain below it. I mean, a wick below it is not necessarily a problem, even though it would then be quite a deep correction, deeper than it's ideal. But if it recovers quickly, it normally has a chance to still rally in that 3rd wave. Important is it doesn't sustain below 1985. What does it mean, sustain? It means that if you break the support and then it just is hovering below support, basically flipping support for resistance, that's what I would class as sustaining below support. So it needs to avoid that meaningful break of the 1985 level for the more imminent yellow count. But the alternative would be just to reset, or just to come down a little bit lower, basically here to reset this wave 2, in one more low in a wave 5. Key targets here would be $19.10, 1837, and in a more extreme case, 1732. But overall, as long as 1732 is holding, that's fine. What else is there to mention? Not much. I mean, this is across the market currently the setup, a 1-2 setup. You see that on various altcoin charts. But we also need to be very honest. I mean, if this overall setup fails, I'm not talking about the micro setup here. I see that as just the potential for now. It's really on a lower time frame and a small degree. But if we break below 1732, I mean, that's probably when a lot of these setups in the crypto market are going to fail, and they probably all fail together or they all work out. So it's going to be very, very interesting in the coming weeks also for Solana. If we rally from here in the 3rd wave in yellow, what would be the target? Just giving you the more imminent target here based on the latest low. We talk here about 2380, but of course it first needs to show us a little bit that we have a signal that is actually doing something. Okay, that's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.